Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live Trading Alert Room. Today is Thursday, July 10th. We opened with the market down almost 20 handles, I believe, and we were waiting to see what would happen. At some point, shortly after the open, about 8:39 Central Standard Time, the market presented a potential long. Now, what ended up happening here, which was our second possible trade, could have happened here. I said that there was a pretty decent shot that it could fail, but it also could work, and we have a good possibility of getting ourselves into a risk-free trade. So we wouldn't care at that point. So I called the trade. I said when the market got up here, I said let's get long about 49.50. 49.50 after this red candle closed right at that price. And we got long, and I told everybody the first thing you want to do is you want to take at least half your position off at a point, okay, which is a little bit more aggressive than we normally go, but there was a reason for it, because this was either going to go up like this, or it was going to pause, potentially go all the way down, or kind of go down here and then come back up. Either way, we would have been stopped out. So I said take half your position off at a point, go minus 3 or 4 ticks, get yourself into a risk-free trade, and either this thing's going to work or it's a break-even and you don't make any money on it. If you're a one-lot trader, you took a point and that was it, and you got out with a profit. This ended up being a break-even trade for us because it did, obviously, one of the scenarios that I was very concerned about. However, it was worth taking the trade because if it had done this initially, we wanted to be in. Otherwise, we would have had to wait several points up to be able to get in again. That was a break-even trade. The second trade, when it came back up, it did hang out around here, came back up. We got long at 1951. The time was 9:06 Central Standard Time, right on this candle here with this green arrow. This was a power play long at 1951. I also pulled up the TF chart, and I told people that when this trade triggers, you can also take it on the TF. So around 1150 was where most people got filled. Anywhere in that area, as you see, it never came back. It would have produced profits before that on this green candle right here. And as you will see, that trade went about 15 points, which is about $1,500 a contract. We also took it on the ES, for those who wanted to take it on the ES. And basically what I said on this trade, both before it, I started to say it before the trade began, and once immediately when we got in the trade, I said what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some profits at a point like we always do. I'm going to wait for the trade to see if it closes above 1953. If the trade closes above 1953, I'm going to wait. I'm going to take some profits at around 1954, which is about 3 points. I'm going to wait to see if we can get above 1954.50. If we get above 1954.50, we're going to either have an add-on, potentially a new entry, but I will definitely hold the trade to see if we can get up to 1957.25. If we get up to 1957.25, that opens up the door for us to hit our ultimate target, which is this big little circle right here at 1960. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, this circle was here all the way at about 8:39 Central Standard Time. Okay? And I told everybody the plan. I told everybody what I was going to do and what we were going to do. Everybody did not get all of the trade. Some people got part of the trade, depending on how many contracts they had. Some people got out and took a couple points and got in on our second entry. I said this could be taken as an add-on or a new entry. That was at 9:48 Central Time. The price was 1954.50. 1954.50, 1954.75. Some people took it a tick worse than 1954.50. No big deal. We're allowed to do that. And so they made some profits there. We basically held the trade. Now, the room closed right around here. However, when I saw some price action going on here, I told everybody, if you want to take 6 or 7 points in the trade, you don't have to try to hold it till the 1960. It might not make it up there. Market could come back first, and the room would be closed by then. But that's where it eventually wanted to go. So even though I call the price target of 1960, I'm going to say about 1957, which is about 6 points. Then the room closed around here anyway. So some people did hold, indicated to me they were going to hold a few contracts or small position, 10% of their overall position, maybe 20%, taking profits along the way. And I do not know if they did it or not. The room was closed. I'm going to find out tomorrow. But in any event, the target was hit. In any event, we had 3 possible entries. 1 was a break even. 2 were nice winners. And for those who took it in the TF that had the margin available to do that and liked trading the TF, they clearly could have made really as much as they wanted today. So great day. We're going to come back again and we're going to do it tomorrow. Until then, guys, I want to wish everybody a great day, and we'll see you guys back tomorrow.